Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding the single idea your reel will deliver and why viewers should stop scrolling. Once set, prepare your gear, phone on tripod, ring light positioned, mic checked, and clear storage. Then map 3 to 5 shots, wide opening, medium demonstration, close-up detail. Explain intent as you film so you capture usable takes. Make sure to shoot extra seconds before and after actions. These first steps create options and reduce reshoots, which saves time and preserves momentum. Now you move into the creative middle where consistency matters. Keep each take tight but varied. Record 3 to 4 options per shot with different angles and pacing so editing has choices. Once done, prioritize audio, monitor levels, and keep background noise low because crisp sound lifts perceived quality. Also capture B-roll, texture shots, hands, and reaction close-ups for overlays. Make sure lighting stays constant. If it shifts, tweak exposure manually. These detailed steps make editing. You finish by building the timeline. Lead with the hook, pace the story so peaks land around 3 to 7 seconds, and end with a clear call to action. Then refine, sync audio, color correct, add motion and captions to boost retention. Once polished, export in 16:9 or vertical format at recommended bitrate. If something goes wrong, stabilize shaky footage or drop in a quick voiceover to replace noisy audio. Practice these final steps, and you'll ship reels that perform reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.